Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about clearing the Windows Update cache to fix common Windows Update problems. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up File Explorer, so go ahead and select that icon down in your taskbar, or you can search for it as well. And you want to select this PC on the left side. Double click on your local disk where Windows is installed. It should have a little Windows icon above the hard drive. So go ahead and double click on that. Double click on the Windows folder now. Should be a software distribution folder in here as well, so you might have to go down to it and double click on that. And then finally, there should be a download folder. Double click on this. And now this is the Windows Update cache. So in order to highlight everything, tap the Control and A key on your keyboard at the same time. So again, Control and the A key. And then right click and delete. Select the little trash can icon to delete. And then once it's done, you can just close out of here. And I would suggest restarting your computer. And then hopefully that would have resolved the problem. And then one further thing you can try here as well would be to open up the search, type in settings, or you can just select the setting gear icon. So go ahead and left click on that. On the system page, you want to go down and select troubleshoot. Go ahead and select that. And then select other troubleshooters. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to select underneath most frequent Windows Update. Go ahead and select run. And then see if that resolves the problem. And once you're done, we're going to go ahead and restart our computer, and then we'll check for updates. And now if we go ahead and open up Windows Update here, go ahead and check for updates. And we're going to see if there are anything available, and you can install. Okay, so that should hopefully be pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you guys out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.